Hello peeps, welcome back to Let Her Rip Fishing. Appreciate y'all clicking on the video. On today's episode, we're just going to head out to the pond, do a little bank fishing this morning. Got a little rain going on this morning, a little light rain, so the fish ought to be pretty active, I think. And we're just going to go out and have a little fun, relax a little bit. This pond, you know, we've been catching a lot of fish out of it, but they're kind of pretty small. This pond's been established for several years, so there's got to be a pond giant in there somewhere. So we're still hunting that sucker, but it keeps eluding us pretty good. Anyway, I appreciate you guys for clicking on. Let's head out to the pond and see if we can't catch some fish. Alright guys, made a little stop off at the park pond. Look at the size of that girl that we just caught before we headed out to the other pond. Man, I don't know what she weighs, probably good 3. But she looks pretty healthy. On the buzz bait. You see if we can get her back in here. Thank you, big girl. Very nice. We're just out here at the park, waiting on Rick to get ready. Thought I'd come out here and toss the old buzz bait around a little bit. Picked up that big girl. Good way to start the morning. Pick a spot, any spot. Alright. First cast. The old buzzard. Usually gets me one. There it is. Oh hell, he missed it. Let's say it's usually good for opening catch. And he missed it. Dang it. The rain gonna be frustrating this morning, I guess. Isn't it? This darn rain that wasn't supposed to be here is going to be frustrating. Well, buzzbaits usually got one already. I'm doing. Very strange. There it is. There's one, finally. Yep, got one on the old buzzbait. Pretty good. Come on, buddy. Oh, good hook, good hook. There you go. First one here, the pond. No, it's just enough to be annoying. You know? Oh, and rain this morning wasn't supposed to be. Oh, there's one. Little guy. Rain was supposed to have been over by 7. It ain't work. Big fella. Appreciate you, big guy. Oh boy. There we go. There we go. Nice. I like my old ugly worm. I like my old ugly worm, by golly. This. Not bad. Thanks, buddy. Got this little ugly worm here. Kind of looks like a little bit of a whole earthworm, I think there's a little chartreuse on it. Kind of an ugly little thing. But hey, as long as it catches fish. Caught clam. Shoot. There we go. Another one. Another one on my little ugly worm. Oh, come here, bud. Come say, hey, don't be camera shy. It'll be all right. Don't be camera shy, buddy. Come here. Trying to be camera shy. Show yourself off there, buddy. Thank you. Yeah. Be shy. This old Texas rig ugly worm here. Yeah. I already had it rigged up, so that hell I'll take that out there. Didn't know if I'd catch anything on it. No. There's the end of my worm. Took that little sucker, he did. Turd. Nice log here, maybe. Something in it. A nice log here, maybe. There it is. There it is. Oh, dang it, you little shit. Come here. Calm down, buddy. That hook out your face, you feel a lot better. Yeah, there we go. There's one on the old creature bait. Right here in this log. But I was kind of wondering, little creature bait here. Just trying to figure out whether or not it's very good for flipping or not. Unfortunately, like I said, there's not a whole lot of stuff here to flip. But, got that one. Got that one on this log. They're only good for flipping, for real. I don't think they're digging it none too much. I've caught a couple on it, but I don't think they like it near as much as they would a worm or something like that. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, this rain kind of put the dampers on things a little bit. Oh, there you go. Come here, buddy. Oh, get out of here. Yeah. There you go. There, little dude. Right. Nice. Here you go, little buddy. Appreciate you. I'm gonna put you back out here. Over. Alright, we're good. Alright guys, rain's getting harder and harder, so we're kind of getting ready to head out, but I'm going to toss this wacky rig for a second. I'm going to catch one on it real quick. Rain sucks. This rain sucks. Perch. Thinking perches. Alright, last cast I guess. Wish us luck. Rain's getting crazy. Man. Well, shit.